Good day. I am Rica Agapito. This is a presentation on AM Alberto's Law Office's Information Systems. This presentation was prepared by Ina Adorio, Rica Agapito, Mary Glo Mabuti, and Joan Memorial. Our agenda of this presentation is to discuss Amalo's company profile, products and services, SWOT analysis, existing business strategy, proposed IT strategy, information system objectives, systems overview, the system's benefits, and training and transition plan. First, AM Alberto Law Office or AMALO is a small-scaled law firm under the legal industry. It is composed of 2 lawyers, a legal assistant, and 3 staff members who are composed of a secretary, a messenger, and a driver. Amalo aims to provide services to customers in need of legal matters. It also aims to be recognized as a medium-sized scaled law firm that provides quality service at a lower cost. For its services, Amalo offers notarization, consultation, property management, and handling of cases including court appearances. On studying about AM Alberto Law Office, our team had identified the business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For its strengths, AM Alberto has a marketing strategy of putting heart and personal touch on handling clients. It also charges lower fees than standard ones. Charging lower fees attracts clients and then referrals afterwards. Also, AM Alberto has a management style of being lenient to its members, which creates a tighter bond among them. On the contrary, we also have identified that AM Alberto faces problems. These are their weaknesses. Their weaknesses includes the problems occurring during processes. Their business processes are done manually, with correlation to another weakness, which is the presence of low information technology in the company. Next, our team have identified opportunities as well. Here is the next slide. Our opportunities here are based on our related literature. Since technology is very accessible, communication between legal professionals and their clients is very easy. This will reduce expenses of the company such as mailing expenses. Also, the trend now is that through increasing salaries, employees are encouraged to do their jobs with utmost diligence and quality. The business also have threats within the industry. One of which is that there is easier opportunity for competitors to enter the market. Since there are many graduates of law schools, more competitors threats the business. Also, people nowadays are discouraged from filing cases because of stereotyping that legal services are expensive. Another is that as innovation takes place, new generation of legal professionals will take over and they will re-engineer the process of the industry. And lastly, paralegals will have an easy access to the market. Here is Ina Adorio to present the existing business strategy.
Alberto Law Office's competitive advantage is cost leadership and growth. The company aims to remain in the industry by charging law fees at a quality level, specifically by 40% lower than standard fees and continually improve business processes. The company guarantees that the quality of service they render does not need to suffer and that proper attention in every case they are handling is given at a low fee. Based on our interviews and observations, the employees of the company spend a lot of time doing processes manually, like finding and recording customer information in files, recording daily expenses, and customer billing. Because of that, transactions become slower, some tasks are not completed, accommodation of customers is done within a shorter time, and inconsistency of data is being experienced. So we propose business process improvement in
Based on
place
our research,
for the
which
company
includes
to
the
succeed.
interviews and
We
observations,
build
the
strategies
problem
and
that arises
processes
in the
that
company
will only
is
happen
regarding the slow flow of
given management
transactions
people
that deals
with
with the client's
capabilities of
information
handling
records, daily
customized
expenses records and
databases.
reports, trial
Disturbing the
courts
continuous
information
business
records,
process
and
automation.
client's billing records.
Transactions
This
within the
problem slows
organization
down the
increase.
company's operation
Employees
that
do not
leads
have
to
a
few
hard time
amounts of
finding and
transaction,
recording
and
customers'
it both
information.
affects
This
the
causes
profit of the company
inefficiency
and the relationship of the
efficiency
company to its
gains
clients.
divided.
The company has all the
What
resources
different
needed, but
strategies the
they don't know
company
how to
uses to
utilize it.
business strategy.
These are the
Business
following information
processes
system
will
objectives to
improve
solve those
because of
problems.
cheaper less
First is
transactions, and even though there is
to
time
solve the company's
differences,
problems with regard
they will not
to
have
its
greater
processes,
costs
such as
since they
adding and searching
administratively
client records,
handle a lot.
by making it fast
The
and
company
efficient,
will be more
given
efficient,
that
more
currently
effective, and more
these are
cost
done
effective
manually. To
because they
have a
have the
uniform
tools to
format
maintain
for the
quality,
company's
and
information,
they will
to
also
have
gain
a
more
more
quality
standardized and
databases
organized records,
with much
to have an
consistency
organized
in the data
information.
stored in their database.
Next
With
objective
that,
is to
their
maximize
data
the
serves their
company's
customers
resources,
well
such
and
as
efficiently.
computers, for these are currently not utilized well, considering their existing business strategies and problems. Next objective is to implement this system in a scheduled amount of time by setting up a project timeline and milestone that would allow the company to solve this problem as soon as possible. These are the following system overview. A Malo information system is a system composed of automation of Amalo's business processes, such as the billing processes, input of records, the records of the clients, and the expenses, and lastly is the auditing.